And right now we turn to weather. Live look right here from Lookout Mountain, Rock City. You can see right there. Actually, you can't see a whole lot because it's pretty cloudy and yucky out there a little bit there, David.
Yeah, and it's going to be that way tonight and even through tomorrow. The wind, the main concern as we go through the rest of the overnight hours. It's not too windy now, but it will be so later on through the overnight with some gusts up above 30, 35 miles an hour. Now, temperatures right now have slowly recovered. It took a while, but many spots did get above that 70-degree mark. And as we head through the evening hours, that south wind, they won't change all that much overnight. And the gusts aren't too much of a problem now, 10 to just under 15 miles an hour, near 20 up to Central Plains. But it's overnight where those gusts will pick up. So we're still alert because of the disruptive nature of the wind speeds overnight. This is not associated with storms, so area-wide, we're going to see these strong wind gusts, and at times between 30 and 35 miles an hour. Also some showers and heavy downpours, but as far as any severe storms, that threat is extremely low the rest of the night. So windy and rainy, the main issue tonight. We got light showers moving back in from the south and west. I know the Lookouts planning to play tonight. We got showers coming in, hopefully not too heavy, hopefully they get the game in, but there's going to be more of this off and on batch of showers coming in from the south and west, a little bit of thunder farther south, but for us, you may hear a rumble of thunder, but as far as anything severe, that threat is much farther south, right along the Gulf Coast. Basically, if you look at this area south of the stationary front, east of this cold front, that's the area highly likely to see storms tonight. So right along that coastal region. Farther north, there's less energy. So we'll get this band of showers this evening, then a break, and it becomes windy. And then as this low rotates through tomorrow, we'll have more off and on showers, a few storms at times. But again, severe threat is very low. The main concern will be that wind. It'll still be quite gusty during the day tomorrow. Here's that updated severe threat again. It's taking us out of even that level 1, much farther to our south. The higher risk factors down along the Gulf coastal region. So here again are the wind speeds overnight tonight. As the night goes on, especially after midnight, those speeds will increase between 30, 35 miles an hour. Same thing through midday Thursday. And then finally late day Thursday, the winds subside a bit and not quite as windy as we head into Friday. Now, as far as the rain, we'll have off and on showers this evening. A few embedded storms at times. I think we're going to see a better chance of rain redeveloping through the pre-dawn hours. After 3 a.m. to the morning rush hour, off and on showers will be there. And that'll be the case tomorrow. It'll be a windy day, showers off and on. Just when you think you've finally seen the last round of showers, there'll be another shower moving in. Very pesky in nature, but that chance of showers will stick around through at least tomorrow evening, and then we finally dry out. But it's also going to cool off considerably by Friday morning. Temperatures back in the 40s, but that leads us into a very dry period. Plenty of sunshine for the upcoming weekend. As far as rainfall amounts, again, the ground is saturated. Seeing repeated heavy downpours may lead to a few spots of excessive runoff, but it will have rainfall amounts about a half inch to inch on average, but it's going to vary all across our viewing area, some heavier than others. Most of that occurring again tonight through the day tomorrow. So during the day tomorrow, not continuous all day long, but off and on passing showers and windy at times. Temperatures up near 70 midday, then cooling by late day. And then it's smooth sailing for a while. Sunshine and cooler Friday, but Saturday and Sunday are sunny and warmer. We'll stay in the 80s through next week.
All right, David, thanks so much. Staying alert and aware during severe